How much should you actually spend on a flail mower for your compact tractor? Some people are happy buying the cheaper options, only to realize they don't perform well. It's a bit of a puzzle, but today we're breaking it down. Product number 1, Thrillco Flail Hammer Blades. First up, we have the Thrillco 5 PCS 3.5-inch wide replacement steel flail hammer blades, priced at $47.99. What caught my attention here was the high rating of 4.7 stars with 34 reviews. If you want reliable replacement blades that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. These flail hammer blades are designed for efficiency. Each blade is 3.5 inches wide and made from heavy-duty 40 CR forged steel, which means they can tackle tough grass and small branches without bending or breaking. The bolt hole diameter is 0.6 inches, making them easy to attach to your mower. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for something that cuts cleanly and can be easily swapped out, these blades are ideal. Now, some users mentioned that they had issues with the blades not fitting their specific models perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you double-check your mower's compatibility, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. For most users, this is an excellent choice. This is perfect for you if you need a cost-effective solution for regular maintenance on your compact tractor. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete mower assembly rather than just replacement blades. For the price, they offer great value. Product number 2, Titan 3 Wide Flail Hammer Blades. Next, let's check out the Titan 3 Wide Replacement Steel Flail Hammer Blades, available for $72.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 37 reviews, these blades are designed for durability and effectiveness. If you're looking to upgrade your mower's cutting performance, this might be right up your alley. What stands out about the Titan blades is their universal design. They fit a variety of flail mowers and have a heavy-duty construction that cuts through grass, brush, and small branches effortlessly. Each blade weighs about 1 pound and is built to last, which means less frequent replacements for you. Here's why this matters. The more you can reuse your equipment, the better your overall investment. However, some users found the blades a bit heavy for smaller tractors. But honestly, if you have a compact tractor that can handle it, this won't be an issue. Plus, the added weight can enhance cutting efficiency in many cases. This is perfect for you if you need strong blades for various mowing tasks. Skip this if your tractor is on the lighter side. You're getting solid performance for the price. Product number 3, Titan Attachments 3.5 Flail Hammer Blades. Now let's talk about the Titan Attachments 3.5 Wide Replacement Steel Flail Hammer Blades for $89.99. This product has a slightly lower rating of 4.1 stars from 36 reviewers, but it's still a strong competitor. If you want blades that can take on tougher jobs, this is worth considering. They can easily replace worn-down Y-shaped knife blades, which means you're getting better cutting power for thick grass and shrubs. This is really important if you often deal with overgrown areas and need something reliable. On the downside, a few users mentioned that they found the installation a bit tricky. But here's the thing, once they're on, the performance is generally excellent. For many users, this minor inconvenience is outweighed by the cutting power. This is perfect for you if you have heavy mowing tasks ahead. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-easy to install with minimal effort. The price reflects the quality you're getting. Product number 4, MechMaxx 48 PTO Drive Flail Mower. Moving on, we have the MechMaxx 48-inch PTO Drive 3-point hitch offset flail ditch bank mower, priced at $2,599. It's a hefty investment with a 4.4-star rating from 21 reviews. If you're serious about your mowing needs, this one's worth your attention. The offset design helps you tackle various terrains, and it can handle debris up to 1.5 inches in diameter. This is crucial if you're maintaining fields or ditches. It also has a hydraulic control for precise cutting angles, which really improves your efficiency. However, it weighs 613 pounds, and some users found it cumbersome to maneuver. But honestly, if you have the right tractor power, this weight actually contributes to stability and cutting effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you manage larger properties or need a mower that can handle rough, overgrown areas. Skip this if you have a smaller tractor or need something lightweight. It's a solid investment for serious land maintenance. Product number 5, MechMaxx 60 PTO-powered Flail Mower. Finally, let's look at the MechMaxx 60-inch PTO-powered 3-point standard-duty flail mower priced at $1,599. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 19 reviews, it's a great option for those needing a reliable mower. If you want efficiency without the hefty price tag of the previous model, this could be the right fit. This model features a 60-inch cutting width and is designed for tractors between 15-35 HP. The flail hammer design means it can cut through dense materials easily, which is something you'll appreciate during tough mowing sessions. The mower can mulch materials up to 0.75 inches thick, which covers a good range for most tasks. One downside is that it's not suitable for quick hitch systems, which can limit its compatibility with some tractors. Here's the thing though, if your tractor isn't using quick hitch, this mower performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you have a compact tractor in the specified range. Skip this if you need a model that works with quick hitch units. For the performance and features, it offers a great value. So to wrap up, the Thrillco blades are great for budget-friendly replacements, the Titan blades offer a solid upgrade, and the MechMaxx mowers provide powerful options for larger tasks. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be the right choice for you. Remember, it's all about what fits your tractor and your mowing requirements.